Good morning. What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. Good afternoon, I should say. Um, yeah, so look at this options chain for AMC. What do you notice? It looks normal, right? We have puts on over here for support from 37, the current strike, down to 30. We have in the money puts a little bit out to 40. And as far as the call side, we have resistance at 38 and then stacked basically down the rest of the chain. Now, keep that in mind. Now look at GameStop for next week. Keep an eye on this because what do you see? You see puts in the money all the way out to 237.5. And we're talking like the support at 235 outweighs the resistance at 235. Same thing for 210, but not 215, but not 220. So could we see an uptrend next week for GME? I hope so. We got slammed last week. I would imagine, based on what I'm seeing here, unless this updates, which again, keep an eye on it, it's almost a guaranteed move up next week. There's no resistance until 250. And then it's not over 1,000 OI until 300. And then there's basically nothing left until 510. So it's unusual to see it like this. So let's look at the next coming week. December 10th. That's earnings, right? Remember, we're about to hit the earnings cycle. It's kind of a similar ordeal. We have most of the resistance put at 250, but we don't have those puts. You notice that? We don't have the same amount of puts. So keep an eye on it. I mean, in my opinion, I think we go up next week. So we'll see. Have a good one.